My name is Jerzy Badowski. I am Chief Information Officer. I am responsible for all IT activities in all of the countries within our group. The technology is always within my area of responsibility. AI, this is something new topic, new for the last couple of years. AI is really a set of different technologies which can ease the life of the organization, which can improve the efficiency, the performance. Currently, we have more and more business demands to implement different AI solutions to increase the efficiency, to reduce the cost, to speed up the processes, and to make our customers happy. So that's something that we are working on in many different projects, but it's difficult to combine all of them, to align all of them, and of course to find the budget for all of them. So that's a kind of a tricky thing. The challenge will be to fully understand the technologies which are behind AI and to adopt it and to implement it in the good way. So we must be very careful with the technologies, but we should not be afraid of it. So we should implement it, but we should be very careful.